Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Trello for our planning. So for that you need to open up your browser and then search for Trello over there. And when this search results come up, you need to just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up, and after that you need to just sign up for a new account on Trello. And after logging into your account, you will be able to see this interface over here. So now let's navigate from the top. So when you click on this option of workspaces, you will be able to see all the workspaces that you are connected to. It can be your own workspace or the workspace that you share with other people. So you can just simply click on any of the workspace that you want to click on and just open that up. And when you click on this option of recent, you will be able to see the recent activities, and this option of starred represents all the things that you have starred and have set them as your favorite. So this is the place, and if you don't want to work from the scratch and instead you want to use some templates, then you can just simply click on this option of templates over here. You can just click on this option of explore in case if you want to see further that what are the different templates available as per your requirements for your planning. And after that, and if you want to create something from scratch and have your own version of template, then just simply click on this option of create option, and here you will be able to see that you can create a new board using this option. You can start with a template by using this option, and you can also create a workspace where you can invite different people to your workspace, so you can collaborate with different people for their skills. And when you click on this option of invite workspace members, you will be able to invite people to your planning, and you will be able to work with them hassle free. And now let's get a little lower, and here you will see that there are templates and there is a category to choose from. We can just click on this option of choose a category in order to find similar templates to our planning, which is in a particular niche. And if you are a small business, you can just simply click on this option of small business, and all the templates related to small business will appear over here. And since education is already selected here, we can see that there's a weekly planning template and lesson planning, and there are other templates too. And below it you will see that all the boards that you have created will appear over here. You can simply click on this option of create a board, and we will be exploring what board is and how it all works. We are just seeing how we can create a board. So there are three options in total to create a board. You can either go on create option over here and click on create board, or you can simply click on this option of create a new board over here, or we can just click on this menu option over here. And then we can see that there is this option of your boards, and we can just simply click on this plus icon and add another board to it. So this is how you create different boards to it. Now let's open a board and see how it all works. So in case you are planning for a YouTube channel and you want to plan out your stuff and how you are going to do it all, you can just simply click on this option of add another list. Since I have already created all of it, but it was not there from the beginning, and you can just simply click on this option of add another list and just create a head over it like to do, and click on add to list, and to do will be added over here. And we can simply add different cards to it, like whatever thing that you want to do. Suppose you want to create a thumbnail for some video of yours. I'm just taking YouTube as an example. You can just work around with this method on any kind of planning. When you want to create a thumbnail, you can just simply add create thumbnail and click on add card, and it will be added to your to-do list. Now we can click on this option of add another list and name the head as doing, and click on add list. And after that, when you are actually creating a thumbnail, you can simply drag and drop this to doing, and this way not just you but every other person on your team will be able to see that you are creating a thumbnail. And you can add more details to it by clicking on this particular card, and this is how it will appear. Then you can just simply add description over here and add that what is the thumbnail about, and what are the things that need to be kept in mind while creating this thumbnail, and the video name and all the other details related to this particular card. And this way you can also assign this particular card or this particular task to different members by clicking on this option of members, and you can add that particular person to it. And you can add different labels to it, like if the member that you have assigned the task to faces some problem, you can just simply name this red option over here and name it as help needed, and click on save. So if the person who you have assigned the task needs any help, he can just simply select this label, so it will just look different from the rest of the cards, so you will know exactly that what's going on your board. And red color will represent that the help is needed in this particular card. So you will just open up this and you can see the comments in order to check what's the problem that is being faced by your team. So this is how the label function works. In the similar way, you can name the colors as per your requirements and just use them appropriately. And there is also this option of checklist over here. And suppose to create this particular thumbnail, you want to create a checklist that there's research to be done, or there is some software needs to be used, or maybe you are yet to install that particular software. So you can just add the checklist over here so your team member can check it, and after that they can see whether the checklist is matching with the final product or not. And this is how it works. You can also add different dates to it, like you want this to be completed within 2 days, then you can just simply add 2 days of date over here. And you can also add attachments to it, like if you want to give reference to your team about this particular thumbnail, and suppose there's some thumbnail already available on the internet, you can just copy paste their link, and your team will be able to see that this is the kind of thumbnail you are looking for. You can upload it from your drive, you can upload it from Trello, your computer. There are various options available for you. You can also add cover to it to give it a different feel, and this is how you get to use it. And you can also click on this option of watch in order to get a notification update on this card. Like there is any change on this particular card, then you will be notified about it. And this is how you use Trello cards. Now let's get back and see what I have just done. So these are the topics that I can add over here, and see that what are the topics that needs to be researched for the next step. And if I have a topic over here and I move it to this next section of research and scripting, then I can just move it over here and work on the research and scripting. Or maybe I can assign this task to someone else who can research and script, and after the research and script is complete, I can just move that particular task to recording section. So I know exactly how many videos are there that needs to be recorded and are in the process of recording. And after that, I can just contact any editor, or I can edit myself by moving those particular tasks to edit. In this manner, I know exactly what is going on with my YouTube channel or someone else's YouTube channel if I'm planning YouTube strategy for someone else. And this way, the stock option comes where everything is almost done and I have the final products with me, and all I have to do is just publish it. So whenever I publish it, I will just transfer it to publish. This means that this video has been through all these stages and has been published now. And this is how all it works. Now when I click on this particular card, I will be able to see that all the things that I have added over here. And this way I have added the keywords that needs to be added to a particular video, the title that I can use for the particular video also added here, and this is the paragraph that I need to pin when the video is published. So these are the things that you can add and play around. And this is how Trello helps you with planning. This was just one example of YouTube, how you can handle your YouTube channel or someone else's YouTube using Trello. And in the similar manner, you can also plan it out, different stuff or different activities as per your requirements. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.